Welcome back to the coolest tech, where innovation, discovery, and the extraordinary converge. In a clash of titans, Apple's iPad Pro squares off against the latest contender, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. These two powerhouse tablets are vying for supremacy, each armed with its unique features and strengths. Let's compare these devices to find the ultimate tablet champion. Price. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra was available for pre-order starting at a price of $1,199, with availability commencing on August 11th. As of today's date, which is August 27th, the tablet is now accessible. The base model includes 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM. However, users have the option to upgrade and configure the tablet with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Both color options, beige and graphite, are available for all configurations. At the time of publication, Samsung is offering up to $650 off any Galaxy Tab S9 tablet with an eligible trade-in. Additionally, customers pre-ordering any Tab S9 model can get 50% off the purchase of a book cover keyboard slim. Moreover, there's a $40 discount available for Galaxy Buds 2 Pro when pre-ordering any Galaxy Tab S9 variant through Samsung's website or the Shop Samsung app. On the other hand, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro is currently available for purchase on the Apple online store, starting at $1,099 for the Wi-Fi version. The Wi-Fi plus cellular model starts at $1,299. Your reviewed configuration of the iPad Pro, which includes 16GB of RAM, 1TB of storage, and 5G connectivity, is priced at $1,999. While there's a $100 price difference between the starting models of the iPad Pro and the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, the iPad Pro has the advantage. However, when adding Wi-Fi plus cellular functionality to the iPad Pro, the Samsung tablet becomes the more affordable option. Keep in mind that the cost can increase if you choose to purchase accessories for the tablet. Further details on accessories will be covered in the relevant section. Design. The iPad Pro 2022 measures 11.04 by 8.46 by 0.25 inches, weighing 1.5 pounds. When paired with the Magic Keyboard, it reaches 3 pounds. It maintains familiar button placements and features quad speakers. Contrastingly, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is larger at 12.85 by 8.21 by 0.22 inches, but lighter at 1.6 pounds. Its design includes power and volume buttons on the right, rear-facing cameras, S Pen magnetic strip, quad speakers, and a single USB-C port. No headphone jack is present. While neither tablet introduces a revolutionary design, their aesthetics remain appealing. The Tab S9 Ultra's larger size stands out, while the iPad Pro retains its elegant functionality. Both devices offer attractive designs, and the choice between them comes down to personal preferences. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra's larger size can be a highlight, while the iPad Pro's design retains its elegance and functionality. Display. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra boasts a 14.6-inch OLED display, while the iPad Pro features a 12.9-inch screen. Despite the size, the display quality is well matched. The Tab S9 Ultra's natural mode reached 117.7% sRGB, 83.4% DCI-P3, Delta E 0.17. In vivid mode, it scored 181.7% by 128.7% by 0.18. Brightness is good. Without adaptive brightness, it averaged 328 nits, peaking at 878 nits for 40% of the screen during HDR. Compared to the iPad Pro, the Tab S9 Ultra closely competes in various metrics. Yet, the iPad Pro shines in HDR brightness, reaching 1,577 nits for the 40% of the screen. Both tablets offer vibrant visuals, with the iPad Pro slightly ahead in HDR. Performance. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra uses a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip on Android 13, akin to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Our reviewed unit had 12GB RAM. While it delivers commendable performance, it's slightly behind the iPad Pro. Tab S9 Ultra scored 1,560 by 4,970 on Geekbench 5 CPU, while the iPad Pro with Apple M2 scored 1,862 by 8,500. In graphics, Tab S9 Ultra scored 14,722 by 88 frames per second on 3D Mark Wildlife Unlimited. iPad Pro achieved 25,219 by 151 frames per second, yet Tab S9 Ultra handles demanding games well. Tab S9 Ultra took 41S for Adobe Premiere Rush video transcode, iPad Pro took 23S. Although Tab S9 Ultra lags the M2-driven iPad Pro in performance, it remains a potent Android tablet. Battery life. In the battery endurance test, which involves continuous Wi-Fi internet browsing at a screen brightness of 150 nits, the Tab S9 Ultra demonstrated a runtime of 9 hours and 27 minutes with a 60Hz refresh rate. In comparison, the iPad Pro showcased a longer battery life, surpassing an hour beyond the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra's duration. This is noteworthy, considering the iPad Pro features a smaller display and operates on the energy-efficient Apple M2 chip. In essence, the iPad Pro distinctively excels in battery endurance and can outlast the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra in this aspect. Keyboard and Pencil. Both the Apple Magic Keyboard $349 and Apple Pencil 2 $129 offer valuable functionality to the iPad Pro, delivering a laptop-like experience and precise drawing capabilities. The Tab S9 Ultra has a $349 optional book cover keyboard with an S Pen. While both setups have their merits, the Apple peripherals are generally preferred for their sturdy design and functionality. The cost of the Tab S9 Ultra's peripheral may not align with its build quality, making Apple's offerings more appealing despite their higher price. Webcam. The iPad Pro boasts a 12-megapixel front-facing camera that ensures a polished look during video calls and selfies. Its 12-megapixel and 10-megapixel rear cameras also excel at photography. However, the front camera's placement on the short edge of the tablet's display may be less optimal for video calls, especially with a Magic Keyboard attached. Likewise, the Tab S9 Ultra, like the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, features dual 12-megapixel front cameras for regular and ultra-wide shots. The back hosts 13-megapixel and 6-megapixel cameras. All cameras, including those on the Tab S9 Ultra, capture 4K video at 60 frames per second. Bottom line. Ultimately, the decision between the two tablets depends on personal preference and your existing ecosystem. If you're an Apple enthusiast, the iPad Pro is the choice for you. Likewise, if you prefer Samsung or Android devices, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is the way to go. However, if you're open to either ecosystem and prioritize a large display, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is a suitable pick. On the other hand, if performance and a superior keyboard peripheral are your priorities, the iPad Pro is the preferred option. Drop us a comment below. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. May these innovations inspire your journey of exploration and curiosity. Until next time.